me, Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be cleaning my room today. Basically a summer cleaning 2019 because my room is so dirty. I don't know how it got so out of hand, but it did. And so I just decided to, take this opportunity to make a video since I haven't uploaded on this channel in a while now, and I'm sorry for that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, some future video ideas I could do. But anyways, no more rambling. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Okay, so I just finished cleaning up this area over here, like above my dresser. It was really dirty. It still is a little bit dirty, but I really don't know where to put anything else at except up there. I mean, that kind of is already like a storage type area. I threw some trash away. I put away my clothes that were on there, and now I think I'm gonna start in this area down here because there's like a bunch of random stuff down here. So I gotta figure out what to do with all this stuff. So yeah, that's what'll be on next.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it, and you miss it, and you miss it, and you miss it, and you did it right from the start.
Okay guys, I am finally done cleaning my room. It is pretty much spotless now. I dusted my room. I wiped down everything. I put away all my clothes. I vacuumed my floor. It looks amazing, you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was like satisfying and that you liked it. So if you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it and, you know, maybe get motivated by this, because I feel like I always get motivated by these videos. So I want to spread that motivation around. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and comment down below if you guys have any video ideas for me, because I would definitely love to read your comments. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!